Hi, today we will guide how to create text column in Report Designer and how to sum the text amount. So this is our invoice screen. Let's preview to choose our report format, and then let's click on the blue color report name to go Report Designer. So as you can see, for my format, I have already created the label. So now I will remove the label and to guide how to create a new label. So let's delete it. Press on this label and then click on here. So we can rename the label. Let's say this is called total exclude GST, and then we can bracket in RM. So as you can see, the column is too large. We can make it smaller by just click on it and drag. So once we make it smaller, we can click and drag, and then we can just bigger the column and right click on the column to bold wrap to show out the full information for this label. So once we have done this label, now I will show you how to create the detail column. So let's go to document detail. For local amount will be the amount without text. So let's delete it. We have to create a DB text, and then for total exclude GST, we have to capture a column called local amount, and then for text amount, we have to capture a column called local text amount. For total include GST, we have to capture local amount with text. Same thing for text column, we have to select text. So this is how to insert the DB text. Once we done this DB text, I will show you how to do sum for all these columns. So let's go back to the main screen, and then we have to create variable. So we press on the variable and click on here. We have to right click, calculation, to do spatial formula for this variable. So this is the spatial formula to do the sum for local amount. So you have to type exactly. So once you have done, just click on OK. And then for next variable, we have to press on the variable to add a new variable here, and we have to right click, calculation, and to do the spatial formula. So this is variable 3. Make sure this one have to start with variable 3, and this is to sum the text amount. So make sure this is local text amount. So once we have done, just press on OK and create a last variable for total include GST. So we just right click, calculation, and this is variable 4. So make sure here is variable 4, and this is to sum local amount with text. So once we have done, press on OK and save the report. Close the report, close the preview screen. Let's preview to choose again the report. So now we scroll down. As you can see, the label added and the information have shown. So once we preview, as you can see, the variable now is showing some symbol is because of the display format. So we go back to the design, and then we have to make sure change all the variable to double. So we make it to double, and then save again, close the screen. Let's preview again. So as you can see, the sum for all these columns have created. So you may arrange the column nicely. Thank you.